Morning, and today I'm going to show you how to take a purchase design that you may have bought, and that may be a single color, and make it a multicolor design so that it will suit the needs for a project that you have in hand. So right now I am going to open up a design, and this is a design that I purchased from Urban Threads. And first thing I'm going to do is actually change my hoop size a little bit, and I'm going to make it a horizontal hoop because I will be stitching this horizontally. And as you can see right here, this is all one color, and I want to make it 3 colors to make it a little bit unique. So the first thing I need to do is this little kind of lasso tool right here. It's a freehand select mode. What I'm going to do is click that, and then I'm going to work my way around the area. Excuse me, I have to get back into the normal. Work my way around the area that I want to break out. So I'm taking this part right here, and parts of it you may need to like zoom in on just to make sure that you can see everything. And as you can see here with this right here, we need to go up a little bit. And I'm just left clicking around this, and you get it close to the start, and then you hit the return key, and as you'll see, this turns red. So next you would go edit, split join, and say split, and then it will take this part right here. So if I hide this, all you'll see is, the rooster may crow. I'll unhide this. Now for this rooster may crow, I'm going to change the color. I'm going to the catalog that I like. I'm going to do a color for my red that I like, and as you can see it now, this is going to be red. The next thing I want to do is change the color of this section right here. So again, I will do this freehand select mode, and I will come along and just outline this. Scroll in here to make sure that I get everything that I want. Move it over again. I don't want to catch any of these other stitches that aren't part of this part of the word. Take it over here again, hit return, again do the edit, split join, and say split. So now this part is split out, and I know I want to change the color of this. I don't know exactly the name of the color that I want, but I know it's kind of a darker yellow, a little bit too light. Actually, I can just do any color because my machine will change thread. So we'll go ahead and do this. This right here, I'm actually going to change the color of it too, from gray to the black. For Marathon, they call it a dark gray. And when you look at this now, to me, in the project that I'm going to do, this is going to look so much better than just the one color. So don't forget to do your file save as, give it a new name, because you don't want to change your original design that you purchased. In case you're wondering, this is a design that I purchased from Urban Threads. So I'll see you in the next video. Just want to give you a little quick one to show you how you can break up some of those one color designs. We'll talk to you later. Bye.